To send money on Venmo, start by opening the Venmo app on your mobile device. If you do not have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have the app, create an account or log in to your existing account. After logging in, tap the Payment tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the payment interface where you can enter the recipient's name, phone number, or email address. You can also search for the recipient's Venmo handle if you know it. Once you have entered the recipient's information, enter the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment to let the recipient know what the payment is for. This is a good practice to follow as it helps the recipient identify the payment and can also help prevent any disputes. After entering the payment details, select the payment method. You can use your Venmo balance, bank account, credit card, or debit card to fund the payment. Keep in mind that using a credit card may incur a small fee. Review the payment details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Check the recipient's information, the payment amount, and the payment method. If everything is correct, tap the Pay button to complete the transaction. The recipient will receive a notification that they have received a payment from you. The funds will be transferred to the recipient's Venmo account, and they can then transfer the funds to their bank account or use the funds to make a payment to someone else. It is a good idea to keep track of your Venmo transactions and to only send money to people you know and trust. You should also be careful when entering the recipient's information to ensure you are sending the payment to the right person. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Venmo to send money quickly and securely.